How are you in Spice right now?
We're good.
You're good.
Yeah.
So is it just more of the fans are really trying to stir up a thing right now?
I totally ignore them because they don't know better. Because who know better do better. And, that's me.
So why are they trying to?
Because that's how people are. The net is can't win them. So you have to just stand on what you are doing. And music is always creative, and whatever is going on, and you as an artist want to be creative and jump on it, and whatever you want to do, you can do it because you're an artist. That's what you do. And I'm sure a lot of people are invested in doing that all day, every day with their music. So if I'm not exempt, so. Yeah.
It's part of the deal because I know I seen you guys last year at Arama Awards.
Yeah.
You were doing the hosting red carpet and you guys linked. So I'm saying, like, where's all of this?
I don't know what you're talking
from?
about. I really don't. I'm not the one.
Yeah. Nor the two, nor the three.
No, I'm not. Wrong person.
Yeah. Okay. This is one I know that there's a little friction, but I don't know how it started. You and RT Boss. What's the problem with you and RT?
Man, not the problem. We just hear him call my name. So he was the one who I was really got me to even speak and even go in the studio because I heard him call him my name in not a really good way. And I'm saying, at the end of the day, you don't know me, I don't know you. You never be in a mother bad planet. You understand? Because God me say, right true. If God can't fix it, nobody else can't. So me never mix up, me never meet up, me never nothing. And then me hear him on the social media space, dragging me. And I was like, no, darling. We may do the same job, but we are not the same. So we just, even really had the talk to them, take it and throw it all over the place. But I mean, whatever. Who cares?
But that's the internet. The internet is a wild place. That's why I like to sit down and have these conversations. That's why I said, you know what? We're going to start hot today and just get right into it. Because, again, I know this is something that you've been dealing with these things throughout your entire career.
My entire career. And I'm not going to fall for any stupidness because I'm not putting my energy in no place that I am not treading because I'm on my journey. You understand what I say? Still is on my journey. And whatever, I don't have nobody the obligation. You understand what I say? I'm going to report to no one but my God. So if a person feel like, say, come I don't talk already, I'm move on next song. Time now, them each up in that if that decide to stay in there, move on from that long time. You understand what I say? Because we have songs coming out. So if they want to stuck at that stuck there, it's number 8 on iTunes. It actually got number 8 on iTunes, thanks to everybody, whether the good, bad, and the indifference. Y'all scrolling on internet. I'm scrolling. You just keep scrolling. So it went number 8 on iTunes charts, and that's big for me because, chart tapping, like that song. I never expect that song to chart tapping. Look much big song I have, and I've said that song that made the chart. I'm like, y'all doing something great. Just don't stop scroll and talk about me because I can't pay for that. And the thing is, I'm so unbothered. Look, they don't really understand. I'm so unbothered. Look like me look like bothered to you?
Not at all. But you see, the good thing with it, you were able to take a situation and make a song out of it. Because that's what you are. You're an artist.
I'm allowed to do it. I'm not exempt. I never call anybody names. I don't understand. I talk about Obi, so Obi fit one person, like to it. I don't know who whatever can fit. And you will talk about different things in the song that's just happening, and I just did it creatively. So I guess I did something good because if it wasn't good, nobody would not talk about it.
No, definitely, because I know how you are. You're very. It seems like you don't really like people putting your name into situations, and you're not gonna fire back quickly.
I choose my battles, I choose my battles because you're not going to see me on social media cursing for 8, 9, 10 days. I just realized a Lego one talk, I'm a done chat. You understand? But I'm like this. If I talk about something bother me so much, so I forgot to go in the studio and sing about it. And I mean, a lot of people, thousands of people in there sing. Some know why my one's at.
But you're not the same.
Precisely.
And the thing with it is I seen the song come out, and like 3 days after, the visuals came out. I said, whoa, you're not playing.
I didn't even sleep because that was a week of going. I mean, preparing for Canada. Everything was happening. Bam, 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 bam. The weekend, I never sleep. And we just had to do what I have to do because it's my work, So no sleep the angel and see the result there. Not the same.
Yeah, at all. You know what I mean? And the visuals right now, it was even trending. The song was trending.
Yes, it trended. iTunes, the song go out with itself. Yeah. Go out with itself. So look at them like, when I go out myself. So if I go out myself more.
When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade, spike lemonade of that too.
Exactly. Somebody never know what me live to make. Gosh, leave me alone. Let me breathe. Low me.
Yeah.
Stop calling me name. Low me. Yeah.
It's part of the deal.
The things that me, I got there on social media, cause me do song. So that's it. We decided to do a song. Wow.
Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.